Do you actually know what happens whenever your bank closes down in Nigeria? There is actually a new law in place that have been put in place that concerns every depositors of money in Nigeria, and you need to know about these laws. Of course, it is a plus for people who are depositing and saving in Nigeria. We have a recent case where the Heritage Bank actually folded up, and many people are of the opinion that, oh, thank God I'm not using Heritage Bank and the likes. But of course, what happens when your bank closes down in Nigeria is not, you need to know about the insurance that you have. There is actually an insurance that you have if a bank closes down in Nigeria. We have a government body which is known as the NDIC, Nigerian Deposit Insurance Commission, NDIC. So they actually insure every depositors in every banks in Nigeria. And depending on the situation, depending on whatever the case may be, will determine how they are going to step in and manage the situation. And for example, you also need to know that before a bank could actually be licensed, they need a particular amount of money to be saved with the CBN. And the more they meet up with this money will also determine their reach in every region of the country. That's why you will not see all the banks in every regions, and some banks are currently making more profit, trying to make more profit and increase their savings with the CBN so that they could have a national reach. So that is for that. And depositors in Nigeria Bank are actually insured. The NDIC insured them, and in April 2024 this year, there's actually something that the NDIC did, which is actually to increase people's saving from 200, the insurance of depositors in Nigeria, from 500,000 to 5 million for deposit money banks. There are different banks. We have deposit money banks, and we have microfinance bank, we have POS, we have MMOs and the likes. But the NDIC recently increased the insurance of every depositors in Nigeria from 500,000 to 5 million. So that means that if you have 5 million in First Bank, which is a deposit money bank, if you have 5 million and the First Bank closes down, then your money is insured. But the wisdom in this comes down to, if you have 15 million naira and you save the 15 million in UBA, and then UBA fold up, then you will only be able to recover 5 million of your money. 10 million is gone. And this is where the wisdom comes in, to actually diversify your savings. If you have 5 million in First Bank, 5 million UBA, 5 million UBA, 5 million Polaris Bank, if all these banks fold up, you will still have all your money intact. So this is actually a policy that you need to be aware of, so that you can diversify your income and not put all your egg in one basket. So that's what I want to share with you in this video. And also, if your bank is a microfinance bank, a microfinance bank have been increased from 200,000 to 2 million naira. So in the microfinance bank, you don't have if you say 5 million in microfinance bank and the microfinance bank fold up, you will only be able to recover 2 million naira, because that's the extent to the insurance by the NDIC. So don't save beyond 2 million in a microfinance bank if you are not sure that the microfinance bank will keep on existing. So it's 2 million for microfinance bank, 5 million for deposit money banks and the like. So this is what I want to share with you in this video, and I will also be sharing another video about how less than 1% of Nigerians actually controls more than 98% of the money in banks in Nigeria. Less than 1% of Nigerian controls more than 98% of savings in Nigeria banks all over Nigeria. And I'll be showing you some secrets in this as well very soon, so you may want to stick around on this channel. So that's all I want to share with you in this video, and I hope you've been able to learn. Kindly subscribe to this channel, kindly like this video where I talk about opportunities and everything an entrepreneur needs to know. This is Entrepreneur Hub, and hopefully see you in subsequent videos. Thank you.